We'll guide you through the best free movie apps. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. If you're bored and looking for something to watch, these free movie apps are worth checking out. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the steps are very similar. Let's get started. The first app we'll look at is Tubi. Download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it up. You can create a free account, or in some regions, start browsing right away. From the home page, you'll find a huge collection of movies and TV shows, along with live TV. Browse through the different categories, tap on any title that interests you, and press play to start watching. Next is Pluto TV. If it's available in your country, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you open the app, you'll have access to free movies, TV shows, and live channels. Browse through the available categories, select a title you'd like to watch, and tap play to start streaming. If Pluto TV isn't available in your region, simply move on to the next app on the list. The next app is Plex. Download it from your phone's App Store and open it up. At the bottom, you'll find options like live TV and on demand. Tap free to watch to browse all the free content available. You can explore different genres such as horror, comedy, action, and more. Just select a category, choose a movie, and start watching for free.